Hello, I saw your question about 9.2, number 5, where you want to match these. Looks like you were pretty successful. I guess one thing you look at is this minus 1.381. If you're talking about a line, that just means, if this is negative, the line is going to be decreasing or going down as you go left to right. And so, you have this line going down and you have another one going down. The intercept, the y-intercept would be almost 22, and so if you could imagine extending that, that looks about right on. This one here, the slope of it's positive, so it should be going up like these two are. The y-intercept again is about 22, and so if you extended that, that looks about correct. On this one, it has also very similar positive slope, but this intercept is about 10. And so you extend that, and it looks like it's close to 10. The y-intercept, slope's negative, and the y-intercept would be close to 30. So if you extend that, it would be close to 30. So, I'd use this number here, the slope, and the intercept to match these graphs. I hope that helps.